Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to ask questions in Quora just like this. Okay, it's very easy. All you need to do is go ahead and sign in or sign up to your Quora account. You can just use Google, okay, to sign in. And then you come here to the top right, click on add a question. Now here you just type in your question. For example, do YouTube Shorts views count towards watch hours, right? That's a valid question. Sometimes you'll see that a lot of other people might have asked that question. You can go ahead and view that question with the answer. Okay. But otherwise, you can come here and click on add question. Now, before this, you have two options. So either you can post it as public, where others will also see your identity alongside this question on your profile and in their feed as well. So feed is basically the home page. Here you can see we have create space, right? So we have different spaces. We have money, we have side hustlers, we have finance, we have health, right? Things like that. Jobs and careers, and there's also limited. So the identity will be shown, okay? But this question will not appear to your follower feeds or your profile. So I'll just post it publicly. Anyone who is knowledgeable about this can answer. So let's click on add question. Now here they ask you to double check your question. As you can see here, at YouTube, the Y is capitalized. You can go and use the suggestion. That's fine. Okay. And now on this page, okay, what will happen is you can go ahead and suggest topics for this. So let's see. Let's go ahead and post this on YouTube. So I'll search for YouTube. So you want to try posting it in relevant places so that you actually get your answers. Okay. So go ahead and post those there. So this one has almost 200,000 followers. You can submit those here. So try to submit them in certain places that you know are relevant. Okay, and they can actually probably help you. So we have sent this request, okay, to these pages, and hopefully they answer us. So these are suggested writers on such topics. So I'll just click on done. So here we go. So we're just waiting for this. Now we can go ahead and skip this. Okay, and our question has been added to Quora. As you can see, it refreshed. And here we go. We have asked this question. And it will come to people's feeds. If they know the answer, they'll go ahead and answer this. If they don't, they can go ahead and pass this. And if they want to know what the answer is, okay, through a random person, they can click on follow. And they'll be notified when people answer. And it's really that